Hello unicorn friends, today I'm going to show you how to make chickpea rainbow salad. I call it rainbow salad because it has lots of different colours to start with. Tomatoes, peppers, carrots, sweet corn, spring onions, cucumber, red onion even though it's purple. But I don't know why they call it red cabbage, but red cabbage even though it's purple. And beetroot, and then some chickpeas, garlic, pepper, basil and oregano. So funny, I never ate tomatoes until I was 16. Absolutely hated them as a kid. I would order pizza and say no tomato puree, because if tomato had been near anything I wouldn't touch it. I was really fussy eater. I had terrible problems eating food. I went on holiday once and I was 4 years old. Went to Italy because that's where my family are from, and for the whole 2 weeks that I was in Italy I ate fish fingers and Frosties. So I refused to eat anything with tomato, and everything in Italy had tomato in it. Funny things we do as children. Okay, so there's all my tomatoes. I'm going to go for red pepper. I usually have multiple colours of peppers, so sometimes I have yellow ones and orange ones in the salad. That gives a bit more rainbow colours. Today, just red ones. I absolutely hate green peppers still. They're not ready. They're green because they're not ready, so don't pick them yet. I don't know why people pick them when they're not ready to eat. I have an installed Roomba that devours any food that falls on the floor. He's a good cleaner. Absolutely no trace of any food left anywhere on the floor if you drop it. I'm just going to peel my carrots. I don't personally like the skin. Mikey's favourite snack is either carrots or broccoli stalk. Absolutely loves them. And no broccoli today, but he has had a carrot. Break carrots in. It's not for you, bro. It's daddy's salad. You have dog food. It's daddy food. Remember it? Okay, next we're going to add our yellow ingredient, which is going to be corn. So I'm going to just drain that. Give it water. Now we have the corn. And now we're going to do spring onions. They're a bit fiddly. They're a little bit old now. Just make a mess with the salad. Bits off. This is part of my New Year resolution to eat more healthy food. My channel has quite a few treats on there so far, but that's not what I eat every day. On a normal everyday here, I have tofu scramble for breakfast most days, unless I run out of tofu, in which case I have pancakes or oatmeal or cereal or beans on toast or something else, but mostly it's tofu scramble. There we go, there's all the spring onions, cucumber, and now purple onion. Purple. Can't do a full rainbow because I don't know of any blue vegetables. If anybody knows of a blue vegetable though, I could put, ew, maybe not this one. Better. And you know, blueberries, and they're not even really blue. Well, they kind of sometimes look blue. I don't think blueberries will go very well with this salad. Okay, final. Whoops, I keep doing that. That's not for you, bro. Okay, now I'm going to add some pickled purple cabbage. Does this look red to you? No. This one they didn't call it by its colour, so it wasn't wrong. Beetroot. I think I must have been 35, nearly like 37 before I actually made my own salad. So I just ate absolute junk for most of my life. And then wonder why I was chronically ill. People just don't pay any attention to what they eat. Like I did. I didn't care what I ate. I just ate McDonald's every day or some other junk, and I was sick all the time. And I went vegan, and everything cured. What? Everything. Right, I'm just going to wash these. Okay, so now we have chickpeas. A little bit of protein. Now comes the difficult part of mixing it without it spilling all over the floor. So just be very careful, do it slowly. Just going to mix it a little bit first. And then you're going to add some garlic. Some oregano. Basil, some black pepper, give it a little bit of flavour, and then give it a good mix, and there we go. The salad is ready. Now I'm going to make some toast, and we'll show you the final result. So first we'll clean this mess. Somebody once asked, why do you have two toasters? Well, for the magical reason that I can cook 4 pieces of toast at the same time. Done. So there we go, 2 pieces. There we go, we have 4 pieces of toast cooked at the same time. Miracle. Okay, so we're going to add some salad to the nice warm toast. And we're going to add some balsamic vinegar glaze. It's just basically balsamic vinegar with a thick texture. Oh, I love this stuff. And final ingredient, a little bit parmesan. I can open it. And there we go. Rainbow Chickpea Salad on toast. Slightly healthier than pancakes and that Christmas cake. Holy shit. If you haven't tried my Christmas cake, go and make it. Even though it's not Christmas, pretend it's a wedding or something and try it. Okay, I'm going to go and eat this. I will see you later.